Meaning of entrance hall.
Entrance hall.
Entrance hall.
Entrance hall.
Entrance hall. An entrance hall is an area in a building that serves as the main entry point or foyer. It is typically located near the front entrance and may lead to other areas of the building. The purpose of an entrance hall is to provide a space for visitors to enter and transition into the interior of the building. It may include features such as doors, windows, flooring, lighting, and seating. The design of an entrance hall can vary depending on the style and function of the building, but it is generally intended to be welcoming and visually appealing.